Before I do a video, before I even turn on the camera, I have to make sure that I train, do my workout every single day. And if I don't swim, I need to go to the gym, okay, which I don't really like. And the other thing is that I cannot eat fried stuff. So basically, I must eat healthy, aside from the fact that I eat Cheetos once in a while. But you know, that's for another thing. So then we're gonna buy equipment, we're gonna buy lighting, we're gonna buy microphone. And then once we bought all the equipment, the camera, the tripod stand, then this is where the work starts. I gotta prepare notes for the script, for what I need to say. I just need to write the bullet points. Why do I need to write bullet points? Because sometimes when I talk about first tip, then second tip, then third tip, I'm like, what am I gonna say again? So either I'll type the notes out or I'll write it down on a piece of paper. Sometimes when I'm traveling on the plane, I'll write it on a piece of tissue paper. And sometimes, you know, when I do a video, some days, you know, you have good ideas, some days you would just, your mind would be like, oh, you want to make video today? I'm gonna shut down. So I read books not to learn the trading systems because I already have my own system. I read books so that I can get ideas. For example, if the author suddenly talk about breakout trading, then I'm like, hey, actually I haven't made a breakout video, let me just make one. And if I can't find any more ideas, I'll read your comments, I'll read your feedback, and then I'll write down your feedback. I value your opinion. That's why I spend about 1-2 hours replying to comments every single day. And then the next thing, I'm going to prepare the slides, which is going to take me 3 to 4 hours to prepare one set of slides. But if it's just a talking head video like this, it's going to be a lot faster because I don't need to put the title, put the description, put the bullet points. Sometimes my team would prepare the whole entire script for me. So if my team prepared the script for me, then I couldn't say whatever shit. I couldn't say certain words that I want to say. I couldn't say certain words that I feel comfortable saying because it is scripted. And once I'm done with the slides, I'm gonna send it to my designer and then she's gonna design it and make it nice, make it polished so that it doesn't look so ugly because she normally takes a couple of days. My other team from the UK, they probably take around 1 week as well, around that time. So I'll just wait for them to complete design and then send it back to me. Then when I get my slides, then I'm gonna rehearse maybe 1 to 2 times. But if it's scripted, then I'll need to rehearse 3 to 4 times. Because I don't wanna say that few words that I'm restricted to say because it's gonna piss the people behind the camera, you know what I'm saying? And once all that is filmed, now's the boring part, which is editing, which is going to take another 4 to 6 hours. All I can say is before I started YouTube, I used to have maybe 3 to 4 hours of free time every day for me to do whatever I like, to watch TV, to spend time with family, to go out. But nowadays, because I use all my free time to produce free content that I can easily charge, I don't have a lot of free time nowadays. I don't. The only free time I have probably is when I can sleep. That is just a lot of times what you see is the person on stage, the person in front of the camera. What you don't see is the people behind that camera. So I just want to show you some of the people who are doing the work behind the scenes. Those are the real heroes. So with that, let's get to the vlog.
About your trade, about you as a trader, about you as a... Okay, it's okay.
Glasses or
No, yeah. And I want to invite you on some little course, some basis when I...
we are going to have a 5 series lesson.
You know, some stuff from you, from
You
Libya.
can, for example, say that and it's not just course, not just 5 videos.
Series, I'm going to talk about the introduction of forex trading, and not only that, I'm going to talk about the
It's also the events that you can
5 course video series where I include all the secrets. As you can see, today is a really hot day. I think it became darker. Right now we're filming at this place over here. This is the Helix Bridge. We'll do a couple more shots. So let's do it. Okay, right now we are at Marina Bay Sands over here. Garden by the Bay actually to film. I think the third, fourth location. Then after that we are gonna go to Marina Bay Sands. Really hot day. If you think filming videos is easy, try doing it for half a day. And this excluding editing. 3-4 more hours of filming left. So let's do this.
Let's start.
Where was about the introduction, the first reading, all the way until to show you how the news moves the market, how to spot the big trades.
So I'm going to show you how the news move the market and what really drives the currency market. And how you can take advantage of 5 hidden secrets for you to use how to think and behave like a trader from one country countries.
Music keeps me dancing. Music keeps me dancing. Music keeps me dancing.
This is the next filming venue. Haven't had my lunch yet. It's really hot. I'm a bit tired, but you know what? No matter how tired we are, we gotta push on. We gotta keep on moving. All this free stuff for nobody but you.
Do you want some water with ice, maybe?
Yeah, they'll be fine. Okay, so I'll be sitting right here. Sitting right here. Under this hot sun. I'm burning to death. But you know what? Look at this view. Look at this view. Just look at the view. So this is my team. They're trying to order drinks for me. At night you can come here and chill.
Music keeps me on alone. You got the feeling. The music keeps me singing.
Okay, so just done with the first shot. Basically, my team is the one who arranged everything, the script, the angles, all that. Not me, I'll do everything myself, but it feels different to have a team to help me do this. I mean, I guess pretty fun. Amazing. Amazing, can we repeat?
So,
So sign up. Listening.
Music keeps me dancing.
Just now was really hot, really sunny, the hottest day ever. And then right now it's like cloudy and raining. Are you freaking serious? Tomorrow we have a whole day of filming. And Saturday we have a whole day of photo shoot. We're gonna fight till the end. Let's go. Okay, good morning guys. So today is the second day of filming. You know, yesterday night we had some spa, so it's all good. And then most importantly, and today is going to be a whole day of filming, all the way from morning until maybe nighttime. And all this content for free for you. So hope they like it.
Do you have some?
Że się ludzie zaczynają pałętać i nudzić. I
We won't see it then. Yeah.
Oh, great.
Just
Zrobimy tak, tylko że... Co? Tego dołu, takiego dołu. No to raczej będzie spoko, tylko żeby nie tapać po klawiaturze pisanie. You have to always remember, here is a spectator.
okay.
That is some extra camera. We will take picture from that camera from time to time.
Okay guys, just done with filming. Whole 4 hours of filming non-stop. And now it's about 5 p.m. and we got nighttime filming coming up in 2 hours time. You know my team from UK, they are on like 2 cups of coffee, 3 cups of coffee. Then it's like a whole team is on caffeine. You know the flight from UK to Singapore is like I had 1 cup and I'm like I need more. Doesn't matter 5 cups, 10 cups. You gotta keep on pushing, okay? We're here again for filming. It's never ending. Never ending. But right now we are here beside Fulton Hotel. This hotel right here. To have our dinner first. Gotta eat because I haven't been eating for the whole entire day. It's not healthy guys. Please don't try this at home, okay?
Music keeps me on alone. You got the feeling. The music keeps me singing.
Guys, look at a Lamborghini. Look at a Lamborghini. Can you see it? Gold wheels. What you don't see a lot of times is the hard work behind the scenes, the investment that we put in to buy equipment and all that stuff, all this stuff that you don't see, okay? The lighting and all that. Basically, I invest money, okay? And doesn't matter my UK team, my Singapore team, they are the ones who are working really hard behind the scenes. They are the ones replying the emails. They are the ones preparing all the things behind the scenes. The real heroes are those people who work behind the scenes, not just me, okay?
Music keeps me dancing.
Okay guys, so today we're gonna do a photo shoot and so we'll do a tire change because they want the red color one first. Then after that, we're gonna change to black suit because my manager says gotta wear white inside, then gotta wear red outside. So. Hey, what's up guys, I'm Karen 4 and I'm ranked number 1 in the whole entire Singapore. In this video lecture courses, I'm going to share with you how you can spot an uptrend and not only that, how you can determine when the uptrend is going to start, when the bull market is going to start, and how you can take advantage of opportunities. In this 5-course series, I'm going to talk about the introduction of forex trading, and not only that, I'm going to talk about the hidden secrets of technical analysis. Basically, I'll give you 3 indicators for you to increase your probability of making a good trade, making a winning trade. And not only that, I'm also going to talk about how you can think and behave like the top traders and top investors. If you want to gain access to all these free secrets, okay, most importantly, it is all free. You can sign up for the course link down in the description below to gain access to all these secrets. So with that, I'll talk to you soon.